What's up guys, in today's video I'm going to be taking a look at the LaMetric time clock. This thing is pretty cool because like the Apple Watch, your first thought is, well, doesn't this tell time? It does, but it does a lot more than that. If we flip the box over to the back, you can see that it says a bunch of different things you can do on it, like have festive clock faces. There's 5 built-in apps, phone notifications, and there's an app store with even more possibilities in terms of what you can do. So let's go ahead and get this thing open, and once we do, you'll see why this thing is so cool. It is important to note, however, that this thing is not cheap. The LaMetric time clock is $200, and while this clock does clock in at around $200, there's so many things you can do with it. You can see what's playing, you can turn on and off lights, you can see the weather. This does so many different things, and for the price of $200, while that is expensive, if you're looking for something that does everything to mirroring your phone notifications, to tracking your subscribers on YouTube, then this might be for you. Like the Nomad wireless charger, we're greeted by a cardboard box, and if we open it, you'll see the unit is housed inside. So here it is, and it almost just kind of looks like nothing. It just looks like a regular clock, but this does more than just tell the time. Looking at what else comes in the box, you'll see that we have a quick start guide, and that just walks you through how to set it up and how to use it. There is an app that you will have to download for your iOS or Android device, and from there you can customize it further. What's really cool is if you don't live in the US and you have a different outlet type, this product seems to come with a bunch of them, so if you live in Europe or anywhere else where the outlet type might be different, they have you covered right off the bat. Included in the box is also a micro USB cable as well as a power adapter, so that way you can plug it into the wall or anywhere else that has an outlet. So here's the clock itself. The screen itself is made up of 8x8 color LEDs and 29x8 white LEDs. At the top of the device we have 3 physical buttons, one all the way to the left, which is the next app button, in the middle the action button, and on the right the previous app button. Turning the device over, on the back there is a 3.5mm headphone jack as an audio output, as well as a micro USB port to power the device. On the sides there are stereo speakers as well, so you can play your favorite music from the music app or Spotify or any other media. In order to go through the setup process, you will need to download the app for either iOS or Android, and once you do that, you can also customize the experience within the app itself. As I said earlier, a huge selling point for me was notifications on this clock. If you enable it in the settings on the app and pair your device through Bluetooth with the clock, you can mirror your phone's notifications like incoming calls, snaps, texts, emails, anything you would want to see from your phone, you can view it right on your clock. Now, there might be times when it might not work, but in order to troubleshoot this, turn off the notification setting in the app, disconnect your device from Bluetooth, and disconnect the clock from Bluetooth. Make sure that you forget the device, and then reconnect both things, and then hopefully it should work. Not only can you actively track your subscribers with this, but you also can track how many views an individual video has. Going through here, you see we have the clock, a timer, and there's also a control for smart lights as well, so you can conveniently turn your lights on and off. After at least a month of having this product, sorry I couldn't get this video out sooner because of jailbreak stuff, this clock has been really cool to have for tracking my subscribers and also for just displaying my weather as well. But I'd be lying if I said I didn't love the notifications feature. By far, that has to be my favorite. It's convenient if you left your phone on the other side of the room because your notifications are right there for you to see. While this might be a little bit expensive, I do definitely think it's worth it for how much you can do with this. Needless to say, this seems like a better purchase than the Nomad wireless charger. If you're not a content creator, then maybe you won't use the ability to track your subscribers and the ability to track your video views, but I still think this clock is pretty cool regardless. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to hit that like button. Also, go ahead and subscribe and turn that post notification bell on so that way you never miss out on a brand new upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good one, guys. Peace.